Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Autoruns step by step. Autoruns is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you view and manage everything that starts automatically with Windows, helping you troubleshoot startup issues and improve boot performance. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. The application will automatically scan your system and display startup entries from locations such as Logon, Services, Scheduled Tasks, Drivers, Explorer, and many other Windows startup locations. Next, wait for the scan to finish. Once it's complete, you'll see a detailed list of startup items along with information such as the publisher, image path, and startup location. This makes it easier to understand what launches automatically when Windows starts. To find a specific startup entry, use the Filter or Find feature. You can also click different tabs to browse categories like Logon, Services, or Scheduled Tasks, and focus on the type of startup item you want to review. If you want to temporarily disable a startup item, simply clear the checkbox next to it. This prevents the item from launching automatically while allowing you to re-enable it later if needed. Avoid disabling Windows system components unless you're certain they're not required. You can also right-click an entry to view additional options, including opening its file location, checking its properties, or searching online for more information about the item. And that's it. You now know how to use Autoruns to manage Windows startup programs and troubleshoot startup-related issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.